All right, what is Flask-Commands? If you are here, you've heard of Flask-Commands, and you're like, what is this thing, Flask-Commands? So Flask-Commands is, think of it as an add-on to the Flask package that supercharges it. It will allow you in a very short period of time to create a Flask app, generate resources, wire them up with RESTful actions, and we are going to run those in the browser. Probably that part I'm going to do in less than 2 minutes. You can time me if you want. All right, so let's navigate to open up a terminal. First thing you'll need to do is install Flask-Commands, which you do with pipx install Flask-Commands minus include dependencies. All right, so I'm not going to run that because I already have Flask-Commands installed on my machine, but you would run that. Then you would navigate into a folder where you want to hold your projects, and you create your first project. I'm going to make a little project called Cooker, which is going to be a little cooking web application. So I would just type in Flask new cooker and hit enter. And right now what Flask is doing is it's generating files that are not hidden. You'll be able to see everything and you can edit them. So let's go into Cooker and let's make our first resource, which is going to be this cooking app. I'm going to make a resource about recipes. So Flask make model recipe and wire that up with all the CRUD RESTful actions. Boom, done. All right, now let's run that thing. Now what's going to happen is we get a whole bunch of terminal commands, but we're going to open up VS Code, we're going to open up the browser. We're going to see that this app is actually working right now. There it is. There's our hello world. But we have all files on disk that we can edit at any time. Let's go check those files out. Nothing is hidden from you. So here is our app folder. In our app folder, we have controllers, models, routes, templates. If we look in here, we'll have a model for recipes, and we will have routes for recipes. So routes under recipes, under routes. And there are all 7 RESTful actions built for you and all wired up. I said wired up. Let's go check that out in the browser and check me. So I should have an index page, which is just recipes. Sure enough, I do. Now, there's nothing here. It's all ready for you to set up, connect to your database, and start showing recipes. I have a show page, so I can show any particular index here. Can change the number. And then you also have a create page. So there it is. Yeah, so if you're interested in more, head over to the docs where you'll find an install guide, a command cheat sheet, and a full video series where I walk you slowly through the docs. So what's Flask-Commands? It is a command line tool built for developers who want speed without giving up control.